In this video, I am going to show you see all your comments on YouTube. Let's get started. First of all, take your phone, then open the YouTube application. After the YouTube app is open, tap on your U tab at the bottom right corner. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can find the gear icon. Tap on it. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little. Look for the manage all history button. Once you found them, tap on them and wait to open the next screen. After the next screen is open, simply scroll down to the very top. Here you can find the interaction option. Once you found them, click on it. After that, you can see various options. Scroll down, look for the comment and replies button. Once you found them, tap on it and see your YouTube comments. This means here you can see all of the YouTube comments listed there. For example, my phone show is one YouTube comment. This means I am already see one YouTube, and that's is how you can easily see all of comments on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe my channel. Bye, take care.